ready for another day at work, and I'm gonna tell you what, I feel psyched up for repairing some air conditioners. I feel just 100% excited. Let's get going. Hello? You need what? Why did you just pick him up when you went to Walmart yesterday? You were physically in the Walmart yesterday. But you're okay. No problem. No problem. The day's going great. No, it's fine. All right, I'll talk to you later. All right, then. One call down. It was just a run cap, and man, I'm feeling like $1,000,000. I knew what it was already just from the guy going, it makes a humming noise. I feel like a genius. I am a genius. I may be the greatest technician that's ever lived. What? Hello, dear. Okay, so what kind of noise is it? Like a sputtering? I've never heard a car sound like that in my life. I'll take a look at it when I get home. It might be dark when I get home. Well, I don't know. It's summertime. People call me randomly as their air conditioners break. I don't predict them. I don't have a... No, I don't have a... Okay, I'll see you a little bit later. Bye. Alright. That blower motor would not come off the shaft, and I'll tell you what, I was about to lose it. I might... Okay. This is my wife. I will get a divorce. Oh, it's not. Okay. All right. Hello? No. My next call is not. That's not my next call. That's Bobby's next call. He goes home every time he sneezes. Okay? Just tell him to stay for the next call. I already have like 50 calls. Then don't hire people that are fragile. He's like a baby dove. I don't care whose dad is. Well, I respect the owner. That's not what. Where's the call at? Well, I know my Mr. Dove couldn't do it. Crawl space. His little fat butt couldn't even fit in the door. Yeah, the pieces are coming together. Saturday night? No, the game is on Saturday night. I told you about I was watching the game and sitting alone, and that's all I'm gonna do Saturday night. Just sit alone and watch the game. Alone. I don't even like them. Why would you invite them to our home? Here's the part I don't understand, is I hate their guts. And you're going to invite them to our home where I can't leave and go home because I'm already there. I don't care. Who cares if your mother likes them? No. All right. Well, next time you invite someone over to the house, give me some warning so I can leave the country. I'm gonna quit this job and just sell drugs. I'm just gonna sell drugs. Oh. The end. The end. Okay. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home. What? Oh. Gosh. Hello. I'm pulling out of the last call right now. About to head home. Why? Again, that was Snowflake's call, and I'm done. It is 8:00 p.m. Nightfall is coming. Tell them we'll... Well, where is it at? Where's the call at? I have no doubt. Yeah, I'm sure it's full of babies and elderly people. Yeah. Just can't even get to the door because of all the babies and elderly people, I'm sure. All right. Well, I'll look it up and then I'll head over there, and it's not very far, is it? Okay, I'm looking it up now.